Good morning all students. Today I teach you second method of valuation of goodwill, weighted average profit method. Weighted average profit method is equal to weighted profit is equal to profit into weight given. Profit into weight given. Weighted average profit method, total weighted profit divided by total weight. Let मान लिया प्रॉफिट ऑफ फर्म लास्ट 5 years as follows: 2015 20,000, 2016 24,000, 2017 30,000, 2018 25,000 and 2019 18,000. Calculate goodwill on average weighted profit method for 3 years purchase. Weighted are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you calculate as follows: years, column 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Profit 20,000, 24,000, 30,000, 25,000 and 80,000, 18,000. 18. Weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So weighted profit on 2015 is 20 multiplied by 1, 20,000. 24,000 multiplied by 2, 48,000. 30,000 multiplied by 3, 90,000. 25,000 multiplied by 4, 1 lakh, and 18,000 multiplied by 5, 90,000. So total weighted profit is equal to 3,48,000 and total weight is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. So average weighted profit is equal to total weighted profit by total weight. Your total weighted profit is 3,48,000 and total weight 15 divided. So it is now 23,200. So goodwill is equal to average weighted profit and multiplied by number of years purchase. Your average profit is 23,200 and number of year purchase 3. So goodwill is 69,600. Now method third, super profit method. Super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. Actual average profit is equal to total profit by number of years, and normal profit is equal to capital investment into normal rate of return. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. Let a firm earn profit for last 5 years as follows: first year 40,000, second year 50,000, third year 55,000, fourth year 70,000 and fifth year 85,000. The capital investment in the firm rupees 5 lakhs and normal rate of return is 10%. Calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. So we solve this problem. Average profit is equal to 5 years profit 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 55,000 plus 70,000 plus 85,000 and divided by 5. So total profit is 3 lakhs and years is 5. So your average profit is 60,000. Normal profit is equal to capital investment into normal rate of return. Your capital investment is 5 lakhs and normal rate of return is 10%. So normal profit is 50,000. So super profit is equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. Actual average profit is 60,000 and normal profit is 50,000. So super profit is equal to 10,000. Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of year purchase. So now super profit is 10,000 and number of year purchase is 3. So 10,000 multiplied by 3, 30,000. Hence goodwill of firm is 30,000. I hope you understand this topic today well. Thank you.